Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay, we have a ASV Pro track.
Possi
track. I can't remember all these things. I need to like do notes or read my script or something. Anyway, it won't start. We haven't gone through all the motions, but you're gonna buy it like you see it and like I'm telling you. It looks to me like it has like a, I don't know how many hours because there was a little dust behind the deal there, but it's got a cat motor. I think this is a cat product. It will turn over. We're gonna go ahead and let you watch it turn over for you know it turns over. It just won't start, so you guys have to take it from there. So anyway, head to the back and I'll turn it over. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Anyway, has a good battery, but it won't start. So buy it like you see it. You need the bucket. All the controllers work here as far as everything looks good. Everything turns on in here. It just won't start. So anyway, no bucket. Has auxiliary hydraulics. You might take it home there and it's just got a fuel blockage. Who knows? The guy just had it sitting and brought it in and said, here you go. So, that's what I know about it. Buy it like you see it now. I drive it off in the sunset, but there's no way to go. Here we go. Goodbye.